A 2025 survey found that two-thirds of small businesses say AI now saves them between $500 and $2,000 every month. If you run a business and you're not using it yet, you're leaving money on the table. Welcome to AI Edge Lab. The barrier has never been lower. The tools are free or nearly free. You talk to them in plain English, and none of this needs a tech team. Here are 5 places to start. 1. Customer replies. Feed AI your common questions and let it draft fast, friendly, on-brand answers to emails and messages. You stay in control. You just stop starting from a blank page. 2. Marketing content. Give it one idea, and it'll spin out social posts, captions, and email newsletters in your voice. A week of content in 20 minutes. 3. The boring paperwork. Paste in a long document or a report and ask for the key points, the deadlines, and anything risky. Don't paste anything truly sensitive, but for everyday docs, it's a huge time saver. 4. Market research. Ask AI to summarize your industry, your competitors, and what customers complain about most. Hours of digging, done in minutes. 5. Planning and decisions. Describe a problem, your numbers, and your options, and have AI lay out the trade-offs. It won't decide for you, but it helps you think it through faster. Add those up, and you can reclaim a full day a week, which is the most valuable thing a small business owner has. The honest part, AI gets things wrong, so check anything that matters before it goes out the door. Treat it as a fast, tireless assistant, not the boss. Quick win. Pick the one task that eats your week and hand just that one to AI for the next 5 days. Measure the time you save. You'll never go back. Spend more time working on your business, not just in it. If this helped, follow AI Edge Lab. We turn AI into your time and your money every week. See you in the next one.